Hi again, this is Whitney from City University of Seattle joining you for part 2 of my 3-part series on Zotero. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up folders, save a journal web page, and create a reference from a web page. First, let's learn how to set up folders. This should be really simple for you to do. All you need to decide is how you want to organize your references. By paper, project, class. I am creating mine by paper/project. To create a folder, or what Zotero calls a collection, select the icon that is a folder with a green plus sign on it in the far left-hand corner of the toolbox in the Zotero extension. This project that I am working on is called Technology Application. So, that is what I'm going to call this folder that I'm creating. Then select OK. And it's done. We've created a folder. Now click on it so that when we save an article, it will save to this specific collection. Now, let's learn how to save a journal citation with the PDF into Zotero. Here I am in this library database, and I have here a journal that I would like to cite and keep in my references. So from the list, I select the journal's name. Then on this page, a paper icon appears in the URL. Click on it. This will automatically gather all of the data on this paper and put it into the third section of the Zotero extension, and it will save a copy of the web page and a copy of the full PDF text. How cool is that? You have now saved a journal article into Zotero. And lastly, let's learn how to add our own web page as a reference, just in case there is no icon at the top of the page. So in part 1, I used Zotero's website extensively to describe what it does. And now I want to make sure I cite it. So I look up at the URL and there is no icon. This means that it is not a type of website that Zotero can automatically grab a lot of things from. So instead, we are going to create a reference from this page ourselves. In the toolbox at the top of Zotero, select the paper icon with the green plus sign on it. This will create a reference from this page with everything Zotero can pull from it. The other details you will need to look through and manually type in the third section of Zotero. To add anything totally by hand, select the round green plus icon in the toolbox in Zotero, and then choose the type of item you would like to add. Simple. You can definitely do this yourself. Part 2 is now over. You now know how to set up folders, save a journal web page, and create a reference from a website. This one went a lot quicker, didn't it? The more beginner's knowledge you have under your belt with any technology, the faster and easier it gets with time and practice. This video is part 2 of a 3-part series on a YouTube playlist. Find my next video by selecting Show More down below this video. If you liked it, select the thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to finish up by heading to part 3.